Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. We're driving our 78 F150. Just gonna take it out on a gravel road because the brakes ain't very good, so we'll run it out here about a little over half mile. Speedometer works. I think that's the only thing on the dash panel that works. None of the gauges seem to be working. It shifts good. But like I said, it does need some brake work. They put a new master cylinder on it, but it doesn't. Brake pedal sticks, so the brake light stays on, and you got to push it all the way to the floor for it to stop. There, it shifted into Ford. Actually goes down the road pretty good. They were going 45, so if you're looking for a project super cab, not many of them around, give us a call, 605-695-7391.